with you, and today I figured we would play with some seals. I had gotten from Craspire these beautiful seals, wax seals. One says Merry Christmas and the other one has Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, but it also has a snowflake. And I thought we could play with these with this here, which is a transparent seal. And then I thought this would be really fun to use and then decorate with some of the crayons, the pens that they provided. So let's try this out. I'm not quite sure how this works. It's the first time I use it. So I'm using my silicone mat because my goal is to try to make these and then use them, like glue them on top of cards and stuff as the embellishment. So that's my goal. So I need to melt enough that I can actually use the seal on it. Melts fairly quickly, so that's a good thing. And I thought it'd be fun because it's clear. So using the pens would make it very interesting. So I didn't put enough, I guess, but you can see like it's already, it dried very quickly. But oh wow, that's really stunning. But it's kind of fun also to have a broken one, like not perfect, as an embellishment, I think. So let's make another. Guess if you didn't have one of those little lighters, you could also maybe melt it in one of those little melter. But kind of like having this instead of the little beads. The ones I've seen in the past had a little wick. This doesn't, so I wasn't quite sure how it would work. Also got the feeling like I didn't put it around my my dripping, so that probably didn't help. It smells like wax melting, basically, just in case you're wondering. Okay, I think I did a better job on that one. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so let's do another one because I'd like to try this one as well. Obviously, kind of need to have this not move. This is hard on my this is hard on my my finger to keep it going. If you had your little spoon that was already warm, you could probably just leave it in and let it melt and I'm pretty sure it would do the job because it melts fairly quickly, which is good. Okay, so let's try that one. Okay. And basically it's kind of like a glue gun, but it's not glue. It feels more like and smells more like wax, but kind of melts like a glue gun type of thing, if that makes sense. And you can see, like, for 3 seals I've used up like about a third of the little thing. So this is the second one I did, which is much better, but you're gonna see it much clearer. Let's put it on blue, maybe you'll see it better. So you can see the design. Isn't it pretty? And the first one was obviously, it has some missing, but I still think it makes a fun embellishment. And this one is the Merry Christmas. And of course I put it on top of a black paint, which is not the best because clearly it has put some of the black on top of the seal. So, you know, make sure when you do this that you wipe down your stuff properly, but I still think it gives a you know, an older type of version. And see, they sound like plastic. They really do. Like little plastic chips once they're done. Versus the wax, which is not the same. So it's not quite the same texture and things, but I really like these. And they're very lightweight, so I feel like they won't add a lot of weight to your package. Okay, so let's try this out here. Oh, I love these metallic pens. They're really pretty. You can just brush it on top of the raised areas. I don't think I'm going to put the sentiment on that one because I messed up the rest, so it's going to look strange that it's going to have only a portion of it. I'll do it for this one. How pretty are these? And let's put the other one. Let's do the other one in gold. And because it's transparent, it really does give a better look to, like, it really brings forth the dimension of the writing and whatever. I'm really pleased with these. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing how to use them, and I can't wait to play more with these pens. I would think that even like they're beautiful metallic, so I would think like even for other projects, it says for opaque writing and decorating even on dark and colored paper. It's water-based ink, odorless, xylene free, and they write beautifully, so definitely something to play with for other projects. They even have a white. Fun. Fun, fun, fun. So go and check out Craspire. I hope that you've enjoyed the seeing me make these, and I can't wait to do other projects with them. And that's it for now. Everything is in, all the links and everything is in the description box below. So love you guys, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye.